welcome to the channel. My name is Jocelyn and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Today we have the fashion hacks video part number 2. If you have not seen my hacks video part number 1, it's going to be as part of the description box below, but you can watch it after you finish this video. Okay, let's get started. The first hack that we're going to be talking about is when you have those heels or those shoes that you love so much, and for some reason, because you wear them a lot, they don't look like new anymore or even presentable anymore. For instance, I have these ones. These ones are designer. They're vintage Bottega Veneta, and I am obsessed with those heels. Those are one of my favorite ones, and I have been wearing them and wearing them like a lot. And as you can see, the tip of the toe is already worn out and they don't look put together. And if you have seen my videos, I always talk that you can be wearing the most beautiful outfit, but if you complete that outfit with worn out shoes, that outfit is not going to look good. Nope, you're going to degrade the outfit and that's not gonna be looking cute or put together. Well, if you are in my shoes, I have a hack for you. My hack is to apply Sharpie to the pointy toe of the heels. Yes, and they look like new again. You need to be careful, okay? Because Sharpie is very difficult to remove. The only way that you can remove Sharpie is with alcohol. And of course, if you continue wearing your shoes, the part that the Sharpie is going to be worn out eventually. And remember, these hacks are an emergency, right? When you don't have the shoe color or the shoe paint that you need to paint your shoes, or you don't have time to take your shoes to the shoe repair. Well, this hack is very useful. I always do it because I'm lazy, and yeah, for some reason I don't take my shoes to the shoe repair. Yes, and when I want to wear my shoes, it's like, oh my gosh, I have not taken my shoes to the shoe repair, but this is what I do, and I continue doing it and doing it. It works every time. Yeah. The second fashion hack that I have for you is when you are wearing button-down shirts and sweaters. I'm always cold and I work in an office environment, right? I work in an office because I'm an engineer. One of my common outfits is to wear a sweater on top of button-down shirts. And sometimes button-down shirts, when you are wearing them, especially with a sweater, they just want to be free. Right? They look all over the place. They bunch up here at the waist, and you don't want that. Especially in that area, you want everything sleek, smooth. Before you put on a sweater, you're gonna be put on a cami. It needs to be a cami that has a certain stretch, okay? Because the idea is to control the bunching up of your button-down shirt. You get it, right? Like this cami is perfect because it has a stretch, and this type of camis are very affordable. As you can see, the after, everything looks in place, everything looks perfect, everything looks how it's supposed to look. The next hack that I have for you, I saw it at TikTok and I was like, whoa, this is amazing. You know those cases when you have a belt that is long and you just put it on, and then you have this extra strap of the belt like just there, hanging there, like, hey, I'm here. The way to fix this is with a hair tie. And the way that I do it, I use this hair tie, this elastic that I bought them at the Dollar Tree. I think that they sell like 100 for like $1 or something like that. I just make sure that the elastic is the same color as the belt, or you can use those transparent ones, right? The clear color, because that's very functional. And the thing here is just to camouflage, right, the belt. But the way that I do it, I slide over the hair tie on my belt, I put it in position, and then the extra strap or the extra tie of the belt, I just put it inside of that hair tie, and voila, that's the way to fix it. And it looks incredible, it looks more polished, and yes, this is a great hack. And to be honest with you, this hack saved my life, because honestly, that extra strap just hanging there, yeah, no. This This hack is when you want to roll your sleeves of your blazer or your sweater up and for some reason they won't stay. Yeah, for some reason they won't stay, they just roll down. And the way to fix this is with a hair tie. Make sure that the hair tie is not tied, right? Make sure that is a hair tie that you already stretch out, right? Because otherwise you're gonna be very uncomfortable. I have done that, and yeah. I use scrunchies, to be honest with you, but the thing with the scrunchies is that you need more fabric to cover them. Let me explain to you. The way to do it is that you're gonna apply the scrunchie or the hair tie on top of your blazer sleeve or your sweater sleeve, and then you're gonna pull the fabric, okay, to the certain length that you want, to the desired length, and then you're going to cover the scrunchie or the hair tie, and here you go. That's the way to do it. I can guarantee you that the sleeves are not going to roll down. You will have one less thing to worry about. What if I just told you that one piece of clothing, you just need one piece of clothing and you will have 4 outfits out of that piece of clothing? Interesting, right? Yes. Well, let me tell you, if you have a pleated skirt with an elastic waistband, or probably you have those teacher type of skirts, maxi skirts with, again, an elastic waistband, make sure that it's a maxi skirt, right? Because you will have more use out of that maxi skirt. For instance, of course that you can wear it as a maxi skirt, right? That's the way to do it, or as a pleated skirt. That's the way to do it. The second option is to wear it as a dress. Just like that, as a dress. You have a very cute dress, right? And it looks very classy and very put together. And when you put it on a belt, guess what? It looks more sophisticated, and you have a dress that you can go out for dinners, for drinks. But if you want to go on a walk, or you want to just, maybe run errands, the way to do it is that you're gonna pull more the skirt here at the top, and you have a short skirt pretty much, but you have a different type of dress, and that looks really cute. So that's the 4 ways that you can wear a pleated skirt or a maxi skirt, and that's very convenient in those emergency cases, or probably you want to maximize the wear of those pieces of garments. Well, this is the way to do it. Alright guys, so that's all what I have for these fashion hacks that will change your life, or probably they already changed your life. Seriously. If you have not seen my fashion hacks video, part number 1, well, guess what? It's going to be here, and right now is the moment to click there. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, and please continue watching videos here or here. And I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Muffin. Seriously, Muffin is here. Look. I know.